Uncle Mark? I'd rather him not.
No, I'd rather.
I'd really rather not. No, they live in Claygate, so.
Good afternoon, this is John speaking. This is just like the railway service to Guildford via Cobham and Stoke Stephen. Calling at Vauxhall, Clapham Junction, Guildford, Guildford,
Whatever you've done.
It's not plaster, was it?
Claygate, Vauxhall, Cobham and Stoke
A
Stephen.
wall finishing technician or something like that. I don't know.
But it's like paint washes.
Guildford. Safety information will be conveyed in all countries.
Do you know what? He's a lovely bloke, genuinely. But he's here last year as well. And I heard all the same fucking stories this year as I did last year. Because I rather used to be.
This service will be booked.
Did Michael Caine's house and Kate Marsh.
The funniest thing, so we went to the beach chase. We went to the beach chase. You know, we went to the beach chase one night. There was John, Emerson, Jan, Paulie. And Jan gave him a bit of stick. Right? And then driving home, he said, gave him some stick. I don't know, just banter. But driving home, right, so Uncle Mark's about that. Driving home, Mark said to me, in all seriousness, that fucking big lump, he's lucky I'm not 20 years younger. No, I don't. You know what I mean? Apparently, his older brother, who was a boxer, is quite but he always wanted to be his older brother and he's not. That's what Martin was telling me, you know, Uncle Martin, Sam's other uncle, who came over.
Oh, we met the other one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's not coming to that. Kevin Mann comes Sam's brother. Yeah,
it's Kevin, Sam's brother.
Yeah.
Really old. Oh.
If you see something that doesn't
When he
look
arrives,
right,
it's
keep yourself
It's a pretty
British
great.
Transport
Apart from, do you know what? The only people that don't get it, is my mum and dad.
And her husband.
Yeah, they've made it. What did you do that for?
What? What do they do?
Some gives them NCB card, and whatever you spend, then they transfer, or supposedly transfer to us. Now, Sam's sister, to be fair, Sam's sister, before she leaves, she transfers it all to us. And she's not there, really, not that consequence, but then they're sure that they transfer it back to us. The governor, it's it, fucking bucks. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't think it's it, I think it's his fucking wife. Let's not say that to him. Hey, okay, you've not seen for ages. Is your wife still in?
The next station is Vauxhall. Change here.
Vauxhall?
For the Victoria.
Jimmy Bond.
It's a family train.
Yeah, James. Sten?
Yeah, that's that was we went there. Yeah, that's fine. We met him at Vauxhall.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what he met.
That Portuguese restaurant
We met here and then we went up to.
he reckons that's really good. The fellow that I do some work with, he said brilliant.
We went up to Mayfair from here, didn't we? Because you hadn't got to many partners with you.
Yeah, shit, I need to get out of the
This is Vauxhall. This train is for Guildford. The next station is Clapham Junction.
I had to get that raining stuff out, all that of the hand luggage and everything.
What's that?
The woman sitting beside her, she can tear on.
How do you know that? You're quite fit though.
No, she
She was about 74, so
she was about 85. important school.
Somebody shat in the disabled toilets that are on the floor. Someone, I don't know who it was, mate. But
Where? On the
floor,
plane? Just like,
everywhere.
I didn't know there were disabled toilets on the plane.
There's a disabled toilet on the plane. Well, obviously everybody
got a
uses it. It's just massive, isn't it?
Everyone's staring at the
All
kid in
the
the wheelchair.
Somebody's shit everywhere. I didn't see it. That guy said, didn't he?
Yeah, well,
He said, it's not me. Don't go in there. I said, why? He said, what have you done? It's not me. He said, there's something all over the floor. What's this?
5 minutes went off.
What he can't do, dogs are.
Sounds like that. So if you've got victims, if any
No, I do.
kids are sick or anything like that, so
There's different textures, isn't there?
Yeah. Trouble is, I've got a problem. So I don't just let Snoop get on the new
Should be
phone.
one.
You can't now, it's your land.
You will not happen.
There'll be a house there, he'll be in there, I'll be lobbing all the shit in there. There's no one.
I'll be lobbing it back.
It's France, so you go.
Put it on the road.
Put it down, Mary said. Do a big H K. Throw it over. So what's the small? You don't have to West End.
Yeah, I've had an hour to work in the morning, so Alan and Russell are coming up at 4.
Right.
I mean, you could be up in town already, but it's me after.
Yeah, I might go up there and you guys want to come in. We'll then come Rob. After breakfast.
Yeah, I'll just meet up with you a bit later. But it's up near Oxford Circus here.
Alright, well I'll take these guys to the 3
And
pounds
also,
tomorrow.
no, I'll come in the morning. I'm not like, I'll just enjoy it. It's about an hour. Breakfast first.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
And also, they have to send me the tickets from the QR code shit. So,
Yeah,
might be someone to send them to me. I don't know if they're someone who know about it. They say they'll send me my 24 hours before. So I may have a mobile check anyway, so I might have it.
Yeah, just forward it to me.
The next station is Clapham Junction. Change here for London Victoria, East Croydon, London Gatwick Airport, Brighton, the Mildmay line, and the Windrush line. Please mind the gap.
I'll guess sometimes those have me.
It is nice when people leave. I must admit.
4 roller skating women.
Yeah, I must admit it is nice when people leave.
Oh, I'm worried about what mess they made upstairs. You just don't know, do you?
They might not use microwave as best as they
Right,
You never know. Joe, punch in.
yeah, she's
big.
you rabbit punched her.
No.
Oh yeah,
Cut his lip.
Frank Sinatra. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, he was being rude. He
deserved
was
it.
drunk and he was being rude. He was going, no, you're not educated at all, I can see.
Who said that?